start anytime, and congratulations.
All right. Hi, everybody. This is Michel Abdali, the current IACR president. It is my pleasure today to actually chair this session for the Test-of-time award for Crypto 2001 to 2021. Sorry for the bad year. So for those of you who are not aware of what the Test-of-time award is, so this is a test that is given yearly for each one of the 3 IACR General Conferences. This means Eurocrypt, Crypto, and AsiaCrypt. In a normal year, the first one to take place is the Eurocrypt Test-of-time award, but as you know, Eurocrypt was delayed to October. So Crypto Test-of-time award is the first one taking place this year. And this award recognizes papers which have a lasting impact on the field. In the particular case of the IACR General Conferences, this award is given, for instance, for papers that were published 15 years prior to the conference. In the particular case of 2021, this award is being given to papers that were published in 2006. So this award is selected yearly by a rotating committee, 2 of which are appointed by the board, and the other 3 members are one of the program chairs of each of the general conferences. So if you would like to have more information about this award, you can take a look at iacr.org/test-of-time. So for 2021, the Test-of-time Award Committee was chaired by Uli Moore, and the second appointed member was Nigel Smart, who will be chairing the committee for the following year. Among the 3 program co-chairs, we have Chris Pikert representing the Crypto 2021, François Xavier Standa representing Eurocrypt 2021, and Mehdi Tibushi representing AsiaCrypt 2021. So Chris is supposed to be here. So since Chris was part of the committee and is a Crypto 2021 representative, I will let Chris actually introduce me here and his award.
Great, thank you, Michel.
Chris.
Speaking on behalf of the Test-of-time Award Committee, we're happy to present this year's Crypto 2021 Test-of-time Award to Mihir Ballare for his paper, New Proofs for NMAC and HMAC, Security Without Collision Resistance. And the citation reads, for proving that the security of the widely deployed HMAC construction does not depend on the collision resistance of the underlying hash function. And I thought I would just give a little bit of background about this paper and then hand it over to Mihir. So originally in 1996, HMAC, which stands for hash-based MAC, was proved to be a pseudorandom function, assuming 2 things: that the compression function was also a PRF, and that the iterated hash function was weakly collision resistant. However, in the late 1990s and early 2000s, it was shown that this collision resistance assumption is actually false for MD5 and SHA-1. And we soon even had abundant known collisions for these functions, which were relatively cheap to generate. Quite worryingly, MD5 and SHA-1 were and remain the most popular instantiations of HMAC, with really massive use in real-world deployments all over the internet and real networks. So Mihir's paper removed the collision resistance assumption from the proof of security for HMAC. So he proved that HMAC is a PRF solely assuming that the underlying compression function itself is a PRF, which was the other assumption in the original proof. So despite the lack of collision resistance in MD5 and SHA-1, this pseudo-randomness assumption remains plausible and actually unaffected to this day for MD5 and SHA-1. So Bellari's paper had the impact of giving renewed confidence in the security of HMAC, and it's been highly influential and widely cited in cryptography and systems work since then. So the committee judged it to be highly deserving of the award, and we offer our congratulations to Mihir Bellari.
So congrats, Mihir. Please, I would let you say a few words now.
Oh, okay. Thank you. It's an honor to be recognized. Thanks, Michelle and Chris. Thanks to the IACR and the award committee for this. And thanks also to great co-authors who made everything possible, especially, of course, Hugo Kravchik and Ran Kennedy for HMAC itself, but more broadly, so many others across all these years. And also thanks especially to the students. It was while preparing a lecture on HMAC to teach in a class that I thought, maybe one can do this proof differently. So I hope the students continue to be there and ask lots of embarrassing questions. So thanks again.
So thank you, Mihir. So as Chris was saying, it's a pleasure. Like some of you already actually know, Mihir is my PhD advisor. So it's actually a great honor to be here participating in this award. So thank you, Mihir, for everything. So I see now that Nigel posted on the chat, in case you would like to nominate papers for the Test-of-time award next year. So please feel free to use the link on the chat. With that, I think we would like to end this session, or actually, since we have a bit of time, I would actually ask if anybody would like to say a few words in the audience, since we have quite a few people participating. So since with that, so let's all just give a applaud Mihir virtually. That's the best it is. It doesn't work quite well, but thank you, Mihir. It's very well deserved. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. So I guess the next session now will be on the about the best award papers. And if I'm not wrong, Ran Kennedy will be chairing the session. So thank you, everybody.
So the quiz out, should we start now? Should we wait until 11:15 for the time?
Probably wait 5 minutes.
Okay.
I don't know, just in case, because people are in different time zones. Maybe somebody set an alarm or something.
Okay.
We can introduce the actual awards that each paper has received.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, great. So these the next session is for the award papers for the conference, and it is featuring 4 papers from a wide variety of topics. The first paper is entitled "On the Possibility of Basing Cryptography on Exp Not Equal to BPP," and this was selected as to receive the Best Paper Award in the conference. The next paper that we'll see is Linear Cryptanalysis of FF3-1 and FEA. And this was selected as the Best Paper by an Early Career Researcher Award. It's by Tim Bain, and it also receives honorable mention for the Best Paper Award overall. The third paper in the session will be Efficient Key Recovery for All HFE Signature Variants. It's by Chengdong Tao, Albrecht Petzold, and Jintai Ding, and it was selected as honorable mention for best paper. And the final fourth paper of the session is Three Halves Make a Whole, Beating the Half-Gates Lower Bound for Garbled Circuits by Mike Rosalek and Lawrence Roy. And this was also selected as a best paper honorable mention. So these papers will each have some extended time because of their award status to give us a bit more detail and context about the problems they considered.
Good, thanks. Yeah, so let's wait 3 more minutes. So, Yan Yi, are you, I guess, Yan Yi going to give a talk, Raphael? You ready with these slides?
Yeah, hey, Ren, I'm here.
Great.
I think since we're waiting, I'm going to stop the recording and streaming on YouTube, and then I'll restart it.